Hey guys, if you are not that experienced in draping backdrops, check out this video where I'm going to be showing you some amazing fabric that makes the whole process a lot easier, right? I was able to construct this backdrop in as little as 30 minutes, the entire thing. And this is an actual triple panel, triple layer backdrop, right? Now, sometimes it really does depend a lot of things as far as the fabric, as far as the backdrop stand and the technique. So this video was actually sponsored by Fabric Wholesale Direct, and you can see all of the product links for everything I've used here down in this. So this video is actually brought to you by Fabric Wholesale Direct, and you can actually get any. So this video is actually brought to you by Fabric Wholesale Direct, and you can get anything I've used in this video by clicking the links below. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy, and I help event creators such as yourself really attract higher paying clients by doing premium backdrops such as this. Since being on YouTube, I also had the experience of really helping out a lot of creatives such as yourself really step their game up in the draping game, right? Not only have I took something that seems complicated, such as backdrops like these, I have really simplified the process and been able to teach it in a way that is really easy to not only reduplicate, but it's really easy to step your game up in no time. So if you're actually interested in stepping your game up and taking your draping to the next level so you can attract higher paying clients, so you can make more money doing what you love, which is being creative, I want you to click that link below because I have a Draping Design membership program that is specially tailored for you guys. Not to mention, you get 3 lessons for free. That's it, free. Nothing is needed to enroll. All you do is click the link below and check out all of the free lessons. And if you want to go a step further into the program, then you simply enroll. So thanks for watching, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, remember to share, like, comment, all that good stuff. If it's something specific you would like to see on this channel as it relates to draping or design, tell me in the comments, right? I'll be sure to get it on the schedule. We put videos up every Tuesday and Thursday. So, you don't have to think about it if you just turn your notifications on, right? And again, if you're looking to take your draping skills to the next level, I have the membership program down below for you as well. It costs absolutely nothing to enroll. It gets you free lessons, and get in there, see, look around, get acclimated to the course. And if you want to keep on going and advance to other levels, then you simply enroll into the program. So I will see you guys next video. Check out the videos below here because I think you'll get immense value out of those. I'll see you guys.